Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dawal Mehta, and today I'll explain you that how to activate 900 functions in Power BI Query Editor. So for this, we'll go in Power BI. Click on Get Data, activate the blank query. Now simply you have to write here is equal to asterisk shared enter. 900 functions will get activated. More than 900 functions will get activated. You can see here. Now click on any one function. Let's say table partition. Click on it. So you will get the syntax as well as the example will is also given below. Just see here. So this is how you can use more than 900 functions in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link given in the description box.